laughing because I have a very hungover son in the living room. Idiot, asshole. So.
Who?
Eric James, not you. Hi, welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen, episode
30.
No, it's not 30. It's like 16 or something. I don't know which one it is, 14, 15, 16. Today, well, Mama Deb's is going keto because we enjoyed the holidays and the last few months with you guys with all the goodies and fattening stuff that I made. Now it's time to get in shape. So,
Why?
Because I need to.
Why?
Just for my own self.
Steam?
Not esteem. I have good self-esteem.
Oh, do you?
I do. I'm not. Yeah, I just want to be skinnier. I want to wear the clothes that I bought when I lost on keto last time.
Why?
Just shut up. Anyway, you're doing it too to get in shape for summer. So today we're making keto broccoli cheddar soup. And I think everything that's in broccoli cheddar soup is keto, so it's pretty cool. So over here, right now, I have half of a whole onion, a large onion, chopped, with a tablespoon of butter and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. You can put garlic, fresh garlic. I did not have fresh garlic, so I'm using minced garlic. And it says just to kind of stir this together until you can smell the fragrance of the garlic and the onion together. And we're getting close to that. The rest of the ingredient in here, I have 3 cups of broccoli chopped up, and I have it in chicken broth right now, which is 3.5 cups of chicken broth. We have 3 cups of it says cheddar cheese. I have a mixture of Gouda and cheddar, sharp cheddar, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. So I am going to now, this is so easy that I'm really happy about it. And I love this soup. Eric loves it. Are you going to try it?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Okay. Danny's not a big soup fan, but you know what? Start cooking then.
You like it easy because you're hungover?
I'm not hungover. I didn't do anything.
Allegedly.
It's going to be Wednesday when you see the show, so I hope everyone had a happy new year.
That'll be the day.
And a great holiday. What? And today is actually New Year's Eve. And we're going to dinner with just Monica and Thomas, Billy and I, and then the boys are going to have a party at their friend's house. So I'm going to add this to the crock pot with the broccoli and sorry. And we're going to add this in there. Mix that in. And I was going to say this, I kept this out for a reason. White pepper, anything you make with cheese, like macaroni and cheese with white pepper on it, great combo. So when I make the bowls of soup, I'll sprinkle white pepper on it for these guys to enjoy. We're going to incorporate the cheeses. And like I said, I used Gouda, shredded Gouda, and shredded cheddar, and then 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Look at that. Look at that. How pretty that is. So I'm going to let this cook. I may add in, I'll let you know when I come back, because I'm going to let this, anything I can make in a crock pot, I make in a crock pot. That way it just stays, the boys can just eat out of it whenever they want. I don't need to heat it up for them and do all that because they're really lame sometimes. They act like they can't do anything in the kitchen unless I'm not home, and then apparently they can do shit in the kitchen. So.
Which will make you feel useful.
Yeah. Thank you. You don't need to make me feel useful. Believe me, I know I'm useful. So I may add a little bit more cheese into this and some more broth, but I'll let you know when we come back when it's ready. So thank you again for tuning into Mama Deb's Kitchen. When we come back, we'll do the taste test and let you know how it is. And I will post the nutrition information and also the recipe on the link on YouTube. Mama Deb's Kitchen. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I always clap my hands when I say that. And we'll be back when this is ready. Welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. I'm laughing because I have a very hungover son in the living room. Idiot, asshole. So,
Who?
Eric James,
Thank
not you.
Yeah.
And Danny's still sleeping, so he's even a bigger bitch. Well, come and be my taste
I
tester.
learned it from you.
Look how cheesy that is. See? I transferred it to a pot because Mr. Hangover, the crock pot wasn't making it quick enough for him, so I had to put it to the pot and kind of fast track the melting process of the cheese.
Baby Snorlax.
Baby Snorlax, baby hungover.
Is there any more soda in this fucking fridge?
No.
Fuck.
Okay, no swearing. Only I'm allowed to swear
Yeah,
on
that's where on
TV.
this show.
Okay. And you got to tell him like what you like about it.
The fact that
He does not like these little rolls, by the way. I made these little like rolls in the bag that you pop in the oven.
Roll
He
of
did not.
shit.
Okay, so what do you think of that?
That's good. Very cheesy.
Cheesy, broccoli.
Yep.
You taste all the elements.
I do. I'm gonna throw up. Thank you.
Good night, America.
So I'm gonna post, like I said, I'm gonna post the recipe. It's a keto broccoli cheddar soup. Last time I went on keto, I lost 32 pounds. I only gained 23 of that back, which is not good. So I gotta go back again. But I'm gonna be posting the recipes. I'll post the nutrition information. I'm gonna make a keto stew and also a keto chicken parmesan. And then I don't do full on, what's it called? Straight up, strict ass keto. I do what they call dirty keto, but I will post the recipes. Well, dirty keto is like, I'll make pasta, but I'll use veggie pasta. You know what I mean? You can make it with, I don't like the pasta choices that keto gave me, and we eat pasta a lot. So I ended up still losing weight. So
You exercise?
no,
Why not?
because I hate it. I've never liked it.
You're almost 70. You're supposed to
I am
exercise.
almost 70. Okay, thank you very much. By the time you guys see this, it'll be 2024. I hope everyone had a safe, happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. And thank you for tuning in. And like I said, we're gonna do a lot of keto. I like to see keto recipes because sometimes you just get tired of making the same old things. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out Press Conference in the Clinch. And we haven't done Desert Gems for a while, have we? And Clickbait either. So we got 3 shows. Check them out.